This is where Mr. John is sleeping. This is where he's sleeping, just under this little place. Hey guys, this is your girl Nadia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, my husband and I are doing some grocery shopping for Mr. John. So when we actually did this video, it was a Friday, the day after the first video went up. Yes guys, that the video that you saw that day, it was the day after. Mrs. Claudia reached out to me and she wanted to help Sir John with some grocery shopping and the money so he can do what he wants. And guys, we went and we did some shopping for him. We bought some dry goods and some tin stuff. And in the evening, after we handed the box to him, I cooked dinner for him. Well, me and my husband, we cooked dinner for him. We went and gave it to him. That wasn't recorded on camera. I don't need to record that part on camera. Yes guys, so when I left some cash with Mr. John after we handed in the box, Mr. John went to Christiana the day after and he got a haircut. He got shaved and Mr. John is looking so different. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you in the next video, so stay tuned for that guys. Yes, Mr. John is looking so different. Yeah, so we're just doing some shopping, and I am so grateful, so grateful guys, for all who have been leaving their comments and reaching out to me, wanting to help Mr. John. It is a blessing guys. You are a blessing, and whatever you do for anyone at all, remember that even if you don't receive the blessing from it, if you have kids or your grandkids, they will receive the blessing. So let us not stop doing good. Just continue to do good. Even though in the comment section guys, you're gonna have some people who are negative and all of that, and some people saying that they don't trust me and all of that. Yeah, people are gonna be like that. I can't really stop you from being like that. That's just you. But I'm here to help, and whatever me and my husband can do, we're going to do. But like I said before, to all who have been reaching out and helping, we are so grateful. Mr. John is so grateful, and I have a big update coming up guys where Mr. John is concerned, so stay tuned for that. And yes, I'm talking too much, so enjoy the video guys. Stay blessed, stay safe. Remember, God love you, and me and my little family love you guys also. And thanks for everything that you have been doing for the channel and for Mr. John. $2.80 for that. Buy it for him. You can have two different type of tea. Not sure. Alright, what about beans? Buy any beans, something like that?
Still don't need some kind of fire
for the beans. Okay. Sugar, need sugar for him. He can do oats, not sure. Or container or something you can put the food in. You can buy some of these, not sure. You can put food in. Sugar. You don't want to buy too much something, you just pour them really like that. Oh gosh. He just stopped so. Oh, let me knock off. This too much, Sean. Yeah, rat me out. You say rat me out. This alright, not sure. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Oh, hi. What are you drinking, KJ? Something like coconut. Yeah.
You say I need them look fresh already,
No.
On the job. On the job.
Yeah,
my drink.
I was just tired. I think someone that look fresh.
Enjoy your coconut rum and supper drink. Alright. Thank you. She said he's not diabetic. I was asking if he was diabetic and she said no. So I asked the nurse, guys, if he's diabetic because I was told that he is. The nurse said he's not. So he can buy some bun so he can munch on at night.
What else would I get? Cheese bread.
Cheese bread. Them saying he's supposed to tie that bread, you know, because the bakery always I give him bread.
But it's a cheese bread.
Different bread, not sure.
Bread with cheese in it.
Alright, give him. Friend, I say I must buy a car here. They say you must buy a car. Bike if you're ready. A tree, yeah. Just realized that it's tree. I hate this bread, there's always worse. It was Jamaica Day. Okay. Respect for the one, don't you? You say awesome. Take up one more?
Yeah, buy one, get one.
I say go? Alright, I'm just gonna go for it.
Then the right over the same.
Oh. How much that? 6? I couldn't think of it. Right, that's all?
Over the same.
Alright, man. How are me looking? Oh. Thank you so much.
Ready to catch you now? Oh.
It's raining. So now we're gonna go home and cook so Mr. John can get something to eat. Yep. Guys, so I'm here with Mr. John. Remember Mr. John from yesterday? It's raining like, really raining like crazy. Guys, this is where Mr. John is sleeping. This is where he's sleeping, just under the circle place.
Alright, so Mr.
And
John.
now we have the box. Open it, Sean, so. Guys, put it down on this one. I'll open it. So a lady on YouTube, her name is Claudia. She reached out to me today and she said she wanted to help you, right? So she sent some money so I can buy some food for you and something. So I just bought some stuff. I know you can't cook, kind of have no stove or anything like that. Exactly.
Alright, with some light stuff then, right?
So I'm just buy some light stuff. I may also buy them here. So you can store your something them in here. I tray them, right? So you can put your food in or something. And show what it's here. I buy, you eat bun and something, sure? So I buy bun, I buy biscuit, buy two of these, buy tissue, I buy I buy one of this here, so you can use it. Colgate in there, toothpaste in there, and bathing soap in there. But me forget to buy one rag, so I have to buy one rag here. Tin stuff in there, and so you have syrup, so you can make juice, right? Tea. Nurse over clean tell me so you have a kettle, a teapot, a thermos like. You still have it? It's a work? Alright, so she said you can come over there and make tea when you're ready here. I buy this and I buy green tea. Let me show you it. Oh gosh. Green tea now come out of the box. So you can just make a tea when you're ready here. Any one of them you want. Either you make this or you make that. So I buy cheese bread and tissue and I'll link something here. These are just to keep you, you know? So if you put it down, no rat or something can which of it? Alright, I'm gonna give you some money now. But I don't want to show you money on camera now, honestly. Okay, so what would you want to say to the lady? Her name is Miss Claudia. Would you want to tell her thanks what you want to say to her? Because she give you all this, you know. Yeah, God. You hear Miss Claudia? Mr. John said thank you and God bless you. And somebody else just reached out to me a while ago and want to the person said they're coming to Jamaica and they want to offer
your shoe size.
Know your shoe size and your clothes size. So may I take that from you, but not no Carina fall. But may I come back and take that from you so you can send it to the person. But if you know it, you can tell me. You know your shoe size? 10?
10?
Okay. And your clothes size, you know your clothes size? About what size? What size the thing?
33, 34 for pants or something like that.
Is that bigger than you, not true? Oh, okay. So me tell the person. And some other people want to help you out, so we're going to try and help you. So we're going to put this in there. So you have to try and secure it so no rat no bite up or something them.
No, we can't buy it up, you know.
Okay. That's why we put it in our box. So at least I can have food this evening, not true?
Yes, sir.
I was looking for you today to get some soup, you know, I couldn't find you.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Mr. John, enjoy the rest of your day here, the evening. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, you're welcome.
I begin to